Come give me the lift. Yeah. Hey. So hello again and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to make my hole for my box, where I will be simply using a pair of tin snips instead of a hole saw. So again, these are all techniques that you will learn on the job site, and you know, it's simple stuff that you just need to know in order to achieve certain tasks when you don't have the proper material or proper tools on the job site. So again, I would like to thank you guys for tuning into the video. I will catch you guys in between the video. So again, I was able to basically make my hole, um, you know, just old fashioned using a pair of tin snips. And I don't have my hole saw for it, so I simply don't want to go to the store. So So again, you guys can double tap to like up the live also. It costs you nothing to double tap to like up the live. It's pretty much free. So basically what I'm doing, because this box is metal, I'm simply filing down the edges that I basically removed. That way there's no sharp edges or anything like that. I'm going to make the edges as smooth as possible. channel. So basically what I was doing was basically making a hole. As you can see, let me grab my connector here. As you can see, this connector here and the space that I have in there. The space that I have in here, if I make that knockout, it's going to not work, and I don't have the proper stuff to fit this cable in. So for that reason, I had to make a drill the hole. Also, you can see I have my cardboard that's protecting any type of metal from getting inside of the breakers. And also you can see I'm drilling with glasses. Very important to have glasses on when you're drilling. You don't want the metal to get inside of your eyes. So that's it basically for today. Please like, share and subscribe to my content, and thank you. As you can see, the panel is twisted the other way, so it's kind of awkward for me to work. I always avoid putting two neutrals on the same screw. And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers. Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel